What's going on, everyone? Evan here. Hey, I know it's been a while, but we're finally back. It's been a pretty quiet winter. Anyways, we got a cool video that I want to do today. We're going to unbox an Echo limited edition backpack blower. Let's get it.
The PB-580T is a best-in-class blower. It's a powerful backpack blower that features a new and improved tube-mounted throttle grip and vented backpack for all-day comfort. It's also known as the Gusty Sidekick. With an engine displacement at 58.2 cc, this blower can kick some serious butt and leaves. The blower's CFM, or air volume at nozzle, is 517, which is roughly half of Echo's flagship 9010T backpack blower. The maximum airspeed at the nozzle for this blower is 216, which is pretty close to the 9010T.
Well, that's it, guys. Hope you liked it. It's an awesome blower. I'm gonna keep it. Don't really know what I want to do with it, but it rocks. Subscribe to the vibe.